Good evening friends. Now in this video we are going to discuss the powers of police in ordering for the closure of the shops and eateries and restaurants. Normally you will be seeing around 10:30 p.m. or so the police beat or patrol vehicle with siren will come to the shops and ask them, come on, shut down your shop, close your shop. Like that they will be sirening and going away. So seeing the visible policing, that is horn from the police vehicle or beat constables, normally they will close down their shops. But is it legal or not? Now one such incident took place in Chennai city. So in Chennai, and that man, Mr. Gunaraja, he went to the High Court, and the High Court stated that actually it exclaimed, stating that are we in a police state or are we in a welfare state? India, as you know, the constitution says it is a welfare state. It is not a police state. Previously, the British people used the police for suppression and oppression, but nowadays it is changed. It is a welfare state. So the police do not have any authority to ask the people to close down their shops at the 10:30 p.m. itself. But normally, is it possible? Is it correct? So now we are going to discuss this in the famous case of S.Gunaraja versus Commissioner of Police, Greater Chennai and others, in writ petition number 10512 by 2018, decided on 22nd February 2022, which is a very important date for all of us people, because even though you reverse the date, it will be like that only, 22/02/2022. Right? So on such a good day, the Justice K. Ramaswamy of Madras High Court, that he has clearly stated that police do not have the authority to shut down the eateries, eating houses, shops and also restaurants as per, please remember, section 35 of the Chennai City Police. So City Police Act 2007, actually this is an amendment. Police Act is there long back, 1861 also it came. But anyway, it is due to the amendment, section 35. So please remember, section 35 deletes the eateries, then eating houses, then hotels and wine shops from the places that must be licensed. The other places can be licensed. So for getting a license, please don't be under the wrong impression that these people do not have license. The eateries, restaurants and hotels, they should have license only regarding the parking place. The Chennai Commissioner has to give them permission regarding the traffic clearance, that's all. So there will be no obstruction of traffic if this hotel is established in this particular place. That's all. If the eatery, restaurant is there, yes, no problem for the traffic. That's all. But they need not fix the hours of closing and opening. Why? This is an important point. It is in Chennai city. So please remember, section, actually there is a GO number 60 by 2019, issued by the Labour Department in Tamil Nadu Shops and Establishment Act 1947, which noted that, please remember, all shops and establishments can be kept open 24/7. That means all the day, as per the convenience of the owners throughout the year. So establishments, definitely they include the eateries, the restaurants and the hotels also. So this is one regulation, GOMS number 60 by 2019. So definitely it applies to shops and establishments. So please remember, even as per the so-called Police Act, section 39, it says it empowers the police to make rules regarding the timings to be maintained to the places which are mentioned in section 34 to 36. Please remember, section 34, 35, 36, they do not prescribe the eateries. Please remember. So we can understand that prior to the amendment of the City Police Act 2007, prior to that, the police were authorized to impose the timings for the closure and opening of the shops. But once GO MS number 69 has come into existence, police have no role to play regarding the keeping or opening and closing of the shops. Now coming to the facts of the particular case, Mr. Gunaraja. Gunaraja is having a vegetarian restaurant in Kilpark. So he wanted to run it up to 1:30 a.m. in the night. But the beat police or patrolling police, they used to come at 10:30 and demand the workers to close down the shop. If not, they used to take the workers in the jeep. They used to take them to Kilpark police station and cause a lot of trouble. So, but please remember, here court also mentioned that right to take food is a right under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, because one should live. Article 21 of the Constitution of India says it is the duty of the police, it is the duty of the state to protect the life and personal liberty of each and every individual. So life does not mere animal existence, it includes a right to take food. So actually we suffered a lot without food on one particular day. Maybe in the year, I think in the year 1993 or so, we went to Chennai for a recovery, and the recovery took place up to 2 a.m. dead of night. But there was no hotel. Actually, we had to go to some, I do not remember the name, Egmore railway station, and resorted to taking some street food. So normally at that time, if you do not get any hotel, what do you do? So therefore, yes, there is a necessity for the hotel. In Vijayawada, the local police, what they are doing is, even in Hyderabad city also, what they do is, they will designate one hotel for 1 week. So for example, if in Hyderabad city, in Srinagar colony, so they will allow one hotel. For example, let us take some Big Bite hotel. They will be given permission to run in the night for 1 week. Later, another chance will be given to some hotel. Like that they have done. But anyway, here the legal point for consideration is that the police have no authority to order the shop to be closed by 10:30 p.m. as per GOMS number 60 by 2019 and also as per section 37 of the Police Act. So please remember, here you have to note down two articles, important articles of the Constitution also, because Article 19(1)(g), what does it say? It says the right to practice any profession, a right to indulge in any trade, or right to indulge in any business. Yes, definitely. This man is indulging, Gunaraja is indulging in the business of running a vegetarian restaurant. So definitely they have to run the restaurant, and the timings are to their choice. If the owner wants to run the hotel for the 24 hours, yes, according to GOMS number so and so, they can do it. So therefore, the Madras High Court placed reliance on a precedent, that is previously decided case law, that is K. Ravi Kumar versus Sub Inspector and another 2016. So please remember, in this case, the Kerala High Court has clearly stated that eateries cannot be closed on the ground of gathering of anti-social elements. Definitely police will say, if you allow the shop to be open during the nights, the anti-social elements will be gathered there and there will be problem of law and order. But please remember, what for the police are there? The police are there to protect the hotel people, is it not? So in order they can drive away the anti-social elements. So this is a reasonable restriction. So please remember, ultimately court allowed the writ petition. They said the police do not have authority to fix the timings of the closure and opening of the shops, particularly the eateries, restaurants and hotels, as per section 37 of the Chennai City Police Act. Please remember, this is only amendment 2007. So with this, I am concluding. Please remember, this applied to Chennai city only. Of course, I do not I know, but I do not want to discuss the question in Andhra Pradesh. Whatever it is, please be careful, be cautious. Whenever the police come, just try to shutter down your shutter, and when the police go away, you can open the same and do some business till the eateries are exhausted. But anyway, very good case. So here the clearly said that Madras police, Chennai city police, they do not have power to close the eateries, particularly during the dead of night. So, right, they can cite, please remember, they can cite L&O problem. They can cite traffic problem. That's why you must be careful with the police also. Anyway, as far as this case is concerned, only this point is enough. So please look to S.Gunaraja versus Commissioner of Police Greater Chennai 2019. And definitely you will be benefited with the legal knowledge, particularly on the point of section 37 of the Police Chennai City Police Act Amendment 2007. Thank you very much.